Welcome to our latest update. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. We'll explore what this means for the economy, investors, and the global market. Stay tuned. Breaking news. Official announcement of revaluation. In a significant financial development, the Central Bank of Iraq has just announced a long-awaited revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. This change, effective immediately, adjusts the dinar's exchange rate against the dollar, marking a pivotal turn in Iraq's economic strategy. Investors and market analysts have been closely monitoring the situation, predicting substantial impacts not only within Iraq but across global financial markets. The new rate aims to stabilize the Iraqi economy, attract more foreign investment, and increase the purchasing power of the local currency. This revaluation could potentially open up new avenues for economic growth and prosperity, heralding a period of enhanced economic stability. As the news unfolds, all eyes are on the potential long-term benefits this bold move promises to deliver to the Iraqi economy and its international economic relations. Immediate impact on the Iraqi economy. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar is set to have immediate and profound effects on Iraq's economy. By increasing the value of its currency, Iraq aims to attract more foreign investment, as a stronger dinar makes the country a more appealing investment destination. This move is expected to stimulate economic growth by enhancing the ability of local businesses to import goods and services at more favorable rates, thereby reducing costs and potentially lowering prices for consumers. Additionally, the revaluation may improve the national economy's stability by reducing inflationary pressures, which have long been a concern. This economic boost could lead to higher employment rates as businesses expand and new investors enter the market. Overall, the increase in the dinar's value is a strategic step towards revitalizing Iraq's economic landscape, aiming to generate a ripple effect that benefits all sectors of the economy. What this means for dinar investors. For those holding Iraqi dinars, the official revaluation presents both opportunities and challenges. Investors who have been patiently waiting for this moment may now see significant returns on their holdings, especially if they purchase dinars at a lower rate. The revaluation could lead to a surge in the dinar's value on the foreign exchange market, potentially increasing the wealth of investors who have maintained their positions. However, it's essential for investors to stay informed and cautious. Market volatility could follow the revaluation, with fluctuations in the dinar's value in the short term. Diversification and strategic planning will be crucial. Investors should consider consulting with financial advisors to navigate this transition effectively, balancing the potential gains with the inherent risks. Keeping an eye on economic indicators and geopolitical developments will also be vital in making well-informed investment decisions. Global economic reactions. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar has garnered attention worldwide, prompting various reactions across global financial markets. Major financial institutions and economic analysts are closely examining the implications of this move. In regions with significant economic ties to Iraq, such as the Middle East and parts of Asia, the revaluation is seen as a potential game-changer that could enhance trade dynamics and investment flows. International markets are also reacting, with some currencies and commodities showing immediate responses to the dinar's new value. Experts are assessing how this change could influence global oil prices, given Iraq's substantial oil reserves. Additionally, international investors are likely recalibrating their strategies, considering Iraq's renewed economic potential. Central banks and financial institutions are monitoring the situation closely, ready to adjust their policies in response to any shifts in economic stability or growth forecasts. This revaluation is not just a local event, but a significant development with far-reaching implications for the global economy. Future predictions for the Iraqi dinar. With the revaluation now in effect, the future of the Iraqi dinar looks promising, but is subject to various influences that could shape its trajectory. Economists predict that if Iraq can maintain political stability and continue to foster economic reforms, the dinar could see sustained growth in value and stability. This would further encourage international investments and potentially lead Iraq towards greater economic independence and prosperity. However, the global economic climate, fluctuations in oil prices, and regional geopolitical tensions could impact these predictions. Investors should watch for Iraq's governmental policies on economic management and foreign relations, as these will play crucial roles in determining the dinar's long-term value. The potential for increased export revenues, especially from the oil sector, could also significantly influence the strength of the dinar moving forward. How to respond as a dinar holder. For investors holding Iraqi dinars, the revaluation is a critical event that should prompt a review of investment strategies. Here are some steps to consider. Assess how the revaluation affects your current holdings. If your investment has appreciated in value, consider whether to take profits or hold for potential further gains. Keep up with news not only about the dinar, but also about Iraq's overall economic health. Changes in government policies, oil prices, and international relations could impact your investment. This might be a good time to talk to a financial advisor or a currency expert. They can provide personalized advice based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. To mitigate risks, diversify your investment portfolio. Don't rely solely on the dinar. Consider other currencies, stocks, bonds, or real estate. The currency market is inherently volatile. Set up a strategy to manage potential downturns, such as setting stop-loss orders or having a cash reserve. By following these steps, dinar holders can make informed decisions that align with their investment goals and the new economic landscape shaped by the dinar's revaluation. Risks and opportunities. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar brings a mix of risks and opportunities for investors. On the opportunity side, the revaluation could lead to a stronger national economy, making investments in Iraq more attractive. It could also facilitate increased trade and economic cooperation with other countries, boosting the regional economy. Investors might find lucrative opportunities in sectors like real estate, infrastructure, and consumer goods, which could flourish in a stronger economic environment. However, risks are also part of the equation. Currency revaluation can lead to inflation if not managed correctly, potentially eroding the value of the new exchange rate. Political instability, which has historically affected Iraq, could undermine the economic gains from revaluation. Additionally, the global perception of Iraq's economic stability is crucial. If international investors feel that the revaluation is not backed by strong economic fundamentals, it could lead to a lack of foreign investment. Expert opinions. To gain deeper insights into the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar, we reached out to several financial experts and economists. Dr. Ahmed Khalil, an economist specializing in Middle Eastern economies, suggests that the revaluation is a positive step towards economic recovery, but the government must continue with reforms to ensure sustainable growth. According to financial strategist Sarah Johnson, investors should view this revaluation as a sign of potential, but remain cautious due to possible volatility in the region. Experts also stress the importance of monitoring Iraq's approach to maintaining currency stability. They recommend that investors keep an eye on Iraq's foreign currency reserves, trade balances, and inflation rates. These indicators will be crucial in determining whether the dinar maintains its revalued rate and continues to grow in strength. Overall, while optimism is warranted, caution is advised, reflecting the complex economic landscape in which this revaluation occurs. Thanks for watching. We've covered crucial aspects of the Iraqi dinar revaluation. For ongoing updates and expert insights, make sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep an eye on this evolving story.